that, like that noise, then I will show you how to fix that.
My wife wants to control the noise. That's why she puts this wood. So unplug it first. Move the dryer towards you to make some space. Remove 2 screws on top of the cover. Then lift up the cover from top. Do visual check to figure it out. Turn on the dryer again so that you can see where the noise came from. It seems out of balance, that's why it's touching so hard.
So this is the problem we found there. This one.
Gasket full.
That's why it's out of balance. See?
So let insert in between so that the metal not touching together. Let's double check if the boom align on the container. Then clean the surface beside the container by using Spray Cleans product. Then use 3M Super 77 to stick the foam. Then turn on the dryer to press again.
So now it's better, guys, right? That's what you're going to do. You remember before we fix this, you can hear loud noise.
Open the dryer to put 2 screws back on his place. Then turn on the dryer and check again.
So there's no more noise, unlike before, right? So that's how to fix this dryer. Okay, that's it, guys.